All right, guys, so we have some leftovers for today. I have this pasta with the vodka sauce that my wife cooked. Didn't want to let this go to waste, so I wanted to finish that. Then I have my leftover breakfast burrito. It's almost finished with eggs and I forgot what else is there. Potatoes, mushrooms, and sausage. And then I have my wife's leftover egg quesadilla with ham. Breakfast. Ketchup. Ranch. Oh. Check that out, guys. Oh yeah. Delicious. Dip it in that ranch because everything tastes good with ranch. Oh yeah. Even better. Here is my leftover breakfast burrito. Probably like 2 bites left. Here we go. Dip it in the ranch and ketchup combo. Cheers, y'all. Delicious. You can see the sausage, the eggs, and the potato. Then you just dip it like so. Quesadilla with eggs, ham. It's hot, sorry. Like hot potato here. Check out the inside, guys. Dip it. Oh. That's it right there, guys. This is it right here. Let's get the pasta with ranch. Oh. And you know what? Go for a dip in that ketchup. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers, y'all.